Good morning, students. In the previous topics, we have discussed about the pathogenic disease, their symptoms, their types, and the prevention and measures how to control these types of disease. Now, next, in the part of the prevention and control, we have discussed about the immunization, and now we will discuss about the next topic, that is the immunity. Now, what is immunity? So, immunity is the overall ability of a body to fight against the diseases that are caused by the microorganism with the help of the immune system of our body. हमारी बॉडी के अंदर जो इम्यून सिस्टम होता है उसमें जो कैपेबिलिटी होती है सो डैट इट कैन resist, it can defend, it can fight all the foreign agents, all the microorganisms that are coming in our body and cause disease. So this is known as the immunity. Immunity, I once again repeat the definition of the immunity. It's the ability of the body to fight against the disease and to protect yourself against the disease that are caused by the microorganism with the help of the immune system in our body is known as the immunity. Now, immunity is divided into two types. First one is the innate immunity, and second one is the acquired immunity. I will explain you these terms in short first. Innate means that is present in your body at the time of the birth, and acquired immunity that you acquired in your life through various things. We will discuss in detail about this in the next topic. And now acquired immunity, it is also of then further two types. It is divided into further two types. One is the active immunity and another one is the passive immunity. So immunity, it is divided into two types. One is the innate immunity, another one is the acquired immunity. Acquired immunity is further divided into two types. One is the active immunity, another one is the passive immunity. Now today we will discuss about only the innate immunity. Innate immunity, as I told you, it is the immunity that is present by the birth, at the time of the birth, and that is inherited by from the parents. That is known as innate immunity. It is non-specific type of defense. It consists of various barriers. There are various barriers that consist of the innate immunity and prevent the entry of the microorganism. What are the barriers? Anything that prevents something to move on. Most of you, when you go to the another city, state, you see after one state is over, there is a toll plaza, right? Now there are the barriers. There are the barriers that remove that prevent us to go to the another state until or unless we will pay the tax. So these are just like the barriers. These are the stoppage. Even at the roadside, you have seen the barriers that are set by the police also. So barriers are anything that prevent the entry of something to move on, right? So innate immunity, it is divided into four types of barriers. That these four types of barriers prevent the entry of microorganisms in their own way. There are different ways through which these barriers can prevent the entry of the microorganism so that they can enter in our body. Now what type of barrier are these and how do they work? We will discuss now. So there are four types of barriers. Innate immunity, it consists of four types of barriers. First one is the physical barrier. Physical barrier means the barrier that is present on our body or the covering of the body. This type of barrier is known as a physical barrier. Just like the skin on our body. The skin is the main barrier on our body that prevents the entry of microorganisms in our बॉडी. जो स्किन है वो मेन बैरियर है जिसके थ्रू हमारी बॉडी में कोई भी माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म हमारी बॉडी के अंदर नहीं जा सकता. जैसे हम लोग इफ़ वी आर इंजर्ड, हमें कोई चोट लगती है, आवर स्किन इज़ ओपन एट दैट पर्टिकुलर एरिया. ठीक है, एट दैट टाइम देयर इज़ द maximum chances of microorganisms to go inside from that particular injured place. So हमारी जो स्किन है until और unless हमारी जो स्किन है उस पर कोई भी इंजरी नहीं है तो it protect us our body. It is a main barrier of our body that prevents the entry of the microorganisms. Next one is the mucus coating of the epithelium lining. In the previous classes when you had studied about the epithelium, that is a type of animal tissue, we always say that epithelium works as the protective tissue because it protects us from the foreign agents. Foreign agents means microorganisms. So mucus coating of the epithelium lining of the various organs prevent the entry of microorganism and also trap the microorganisms. उनको trap कर देते हैं and then they throw out them, excrete out them so that they can't enter in our organs, in our body parts. First one is the mucus coating of epithelium in the respiratory organs. आपका ये जो nose है, nose के अंदर there are little hairs and there is a mucus. ठीक है, वो जो म्यूकस है आप लोग जब अपना नोज़ क्लीन करते हो, जो म्यूकस आप रिमूव करते हो डेली, तो व्हाट यू विल सी देयर आर सो मेनी डस्ट पार्टिकल्स प्रेजेंट इन दैट. नाउ वो जो म्यूकस में वो जो डस्ट पार्टिकल्स हैं, दीज आर बेसिकली द माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म, दीज आर बेसिकली द जर्म्स. और वो जो म्यूकस कोटिंग है आपके रेस्पिरेटरी ऑर्गन दैट इज़ इन योर नोज़, तो उसमें क्या है वो आपके नोज़ में वहीं से उनकी जो एंट्री है वो बैन कर देता है, वहीं से उनकी जो एंट्री है उसे प्रिवेंट कर देता है सो डैट दे कांट मूव टू योर रेस्पिरेटरी ऑर्गन्स लाइक द लंग्स. नेक्स्ट वन इज़ द गैस्ट्रो इंटेस्टाइनल एंड द यूरिनोजेनिटल ट्रैक्ट. जो आपका गैस्ट्रो इंटेस्टाइनल ट्रैक्ट है मीन्स जो आपका फूड पाइप है, जो आपका माउथ है, उसमें समटाइम्स आप देखते हो कि आपके मुंह में कुछ चला जाता है या कुछ है, आपको लगता है कि देयर इज़ समथिंग दैट इज़ नॉट गुड इन योर माउथ, तो सलाइवा उसमें क्या होता है, द सलाइवा एक्सक्रीट म्यूकस, राइट. तो वो जो सलाइवा होता है दैट इज़ मोर देन यूजली वो जितना होना चाहिए, तो व्हाट यू पीपल डू, यू विल स्पिट आउटसाइड. तो वो क्या है, ये सारी चीज़ें जो है गैस्ट्रो इंटेस्टाइनल ट्रैक्ट है, यूरिनोजेनिटल ट्रैक्ट है, तो इन सारे उस पर हमारे ऊपर एपिथेलियम लाइनिंग होती है, एपिथेलियम की कोटिंग होती है दैट प्रोटेक्ट्स अस फ्रॉम द एंट्री ऑफ द जर्म्स इन आवर organ system and help it protect us from the microorganism. So these are the type of the physical barriers, means जो lining है, जो epithelium lining है, जो ये coverings है, ये हमें protect करते हैं from the microorganisms. Next one is the physiological barriers. Now what are physiological barriers? Physiological means anything that helps in the normal functioning of the body. आपकी body जिस तरह से कोई function कर रही है, वो जो function है that are known as physiological functions. अब physiological functions जो हमारी body में हो रहे हैं, they automatically act as the barriers. Now how they automatically act as the barriers? First thing is the acid in the stomach. हमारी body में HCl stomach में produce होता है, ठीक है. ये जो HCl है it kills the various bacteria and the viruses that enters in our body, and when they go in our stomach they automatically die. How they are destroyed? Because HCl, as you know, कभी आपने केमिस्ट्री लैब में भी देखा हो तो HCl जो है वो काफ़ी इफेक्टिव, हाईली इंटरेक्टिव होता है, बहुत जल्दी किसी भी चीज़ को डिस्ट्रॉय या डैमेज कर सकता है. सो वो जो एसिड है हमारे स्टमक में ऑटोमेटिकली वो हमारी बॉडी का पार्ट है और वो उसको डिस्ट्रॉय कर देता है जो भी हमारे पास वायरसेस या बैक्टीरिया हमारे स्टमक में एंटर करते हैं. सलाइवा इन द माउथ, हमारे माउथ में जो सलाइवा आता है वो ऑटोमेटिकली हो जाता है. टीयर्स फ्रॉम द ईयर्स, जो हमारे आँखों में से आंसू निकलते हैं, जितना भी डस्ट पार्टिकल्स है, वो कहते हैं ना कभी कभी रो लेना चाहिए, थोड़ा सा थोड़ी देर बाद रो लेना चाहिए, 2-4 दिन बाद. वो बेसिकली क्या है कि जो टीयर्स आपकी आइज़ में आते हैं, वो जो टीयर्स है वो अपने साथ साथ थोड़े से जर्म्स, जो भी माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स हैं, उनको रिमूव आउट कर देते हैं. एंड मोर ओवर आपने देखा होगा, अगर आपकी आँख में कुछ चला जाता है, इमीडिएटली द इट स्टार्ट वाटरिंग, वो जो है डैट कम्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ द tears. So all these prevent the microbial growth. So these are the physiological barriers that are present in our body to control the microbial growth in our body, and hence they provide us the immunity. Next one is the cellular barriers. Cellular barriers means the barriers that are in the form of the cell. Cellular means, cellular word is taken from the word cell. Now हमारी बॉडी में जो cells हैं that fight against the disease, they are known as WBCs. You all know that white blood corpuscles or white blood cells, they fight as the immunity system. They fight against the microorganisms, so they are the fighters of the immune system. So certain type of, they are also known as leukocytes. So they are the type of the leukocytes in our body, like the PMNL. What is this PMNL? This is polymorphonuclear leukocytes, जो हमारी बॉडी में प्रेजेंट होते हैं इन द फॉर्म ऑफ न्यूट्रोफिल्स एंड द मोनोसाइट्स, जिन्हें हम कहते हैं नेचुरल किलर लिम्फोसाइट्स. ये अपने आप ही उन माइक्रोब्स को, उन माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स को फिनिश कर देते हैं डैट आर एबल टू कॉज डैमेज इन आवर बॉडी. एंड मैक्रोफेजेस इन द टिश्यूज कैन phagocytose and destroy the microbes. अब मैक्रोफेजेस क्या होते हैं? These are also the type of the WBC cells. जितना भी हमारी बॉडी में जो फॉरेन एजेंट्स आते हैं, जो फॉरेन पार्टिकल्स आते हैं, दे phagocytose. Phagocytose मीन्स वो अपने आप उनको इनगल्फ कर लेते हैं, उनको निगल जाते हैं, एंड फाइनली दे डिस्ट्रॉय दैट पर्टिकुलर microbes. And hence these cells work as a cellular barriers of the immunity. Last one is the cytokinin barriers. Cytokine barriers. Now cytokine word is taken from the two words cytokinesis. आपने पहले भी पढ़ा हुआ in the class 11th. So cyto means the cell and kinin means the movement. So there are the interferons that are present in our body. Now what are interferons? These are basically the proteins that are produced by the virus infected cells, and they protect the non-affected cells from the further infection. एक तरह से साइटोकाइनिन बैरियर्स क्या होते हैं? ये हमारी बॉडी में कुछ प्रोटीन्स होते हैं जो इंटरफेरॉन्स प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. इंटरफेरॉन्स क्या होते हैं? ये एक तरह के वो प्रोटीन्स होते हैं जो कि वायरस इन्फेक्टेड सेल्स प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, सो डैट दे कैन प्रोटेक्ट द नॉन इन्फेक्टेड सेल्स, ताकि फर्दर इन्फेक्शन ना हो. So these are the 4 barriers of the innate immunity. I will teach you the acquired immunity in the next lecture. So let's revise this immunity and the types of immunity once again. So immunity, it's the overall ability of the body to fight against the disease. It is divided into 2 types. One is the innate, another one is the acquired. Innate immunity is the immunity that is taken at the time of the birth and that is inherited from the parents. It is specific, non-specific type of the defense. It acts as the various barriers. It consists of the various barriers that prevent the entry of the microorganisms in our body, and these barriers are further divided into 4 types. One is the physical, one is the physiological, third one is the cellular, and the last one is the cytokine barriers. So this is all about the immunity. We will learn the acquired immunity in the next chapter. Thank you students. That's all for today.